Online learning, free courses.
Alright guys, so in this short video, I'm going to be discussing why you need to get started on Fiverr today, right now. Because number one, first and foremost, every single day, there are more and more people that are becoming sellers on Fiverr. And what just happened today, this morning, is that Fiverr decided that they're going to make an update to their Fiverr level system, which means they're actually making it slightly harder to become a top seller. Now, you guys don't need to worry because with my tips, you should have no problems becoming top seller within a year. However, I do want to mention that you want to take all of these things and put them to use and put them into action as quickly as possible so that way you are on the cutting edge and that you can stay ahead of your competition, because there is kind of a lot of competition on Fiverr. However, I'm going to give you so many tricks that will help you breeze through and still make sales even with all the competition. Now, first and foremost is, of course, taking action right away. That's always a great habit to have. We don't want to be procrastinators because, you snooze, you lose. So, with that being said, Fiverr is always updating every single day, and they are trying to make it as easy as possible for people to sell on Fiverr, because obviously the more money that we make, the more money that Fiverr makes. So they have implemented a lot of great things for their sellers, and I have to say that since I started online or with Fiverr 3 years ago, they've really improved their platform a lot, and it's only gotten better. Now, I don't know for sure. We're going to be talking about the Fiverr levels in just a couple videos, a lot more in depth. But I don't know for sure if how this new level system update will play out for everyone. But I hope that what they are hoping to achieve with this is that they want to give the people that have been working on Fiverr and earning more the chance to become top sellers. So I'm hoping that they want to bring more top sellers into the marketplace, but that may also mean that they're going to be making it a little bit more competitive as well. So we'll just have to see how that all plays out. But that's another good reason why you want to take action right now. Another great reason that you don't want to wait and you want to get on Fiverr right now is because I can say from 10 years of being an online entrepreneur that just getting started online, not knowing many technical skills, or maybe not having a whole value ladder or a whole website built out, Fiverr is the easiest and most consistent money that you can make online when you're just starting out as a newbie. And I can't reiterate that enough. It is literally like almost like printing money. If you can just think of valuable business services, because that's who mostly, your buyers are on Fiverr, are small to medium business owners. So if you can think in those terms of things that those types of people need, and you're able to offer that at a very affordable price, Fiverr is going to be a life changer for you. And there's already so many different types of services that to choose from. Just to quickly go into this, we'll be diving in even more. But these niches right here, the graphic and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, and video and animation, these are the four. And you could almost say it's way more than 4 categories here, but these top 4 main categories that Fiverr has, those are the most popular on Fiverr. So if you can deliver any services within these niches, you're gold. You can make a living on Fiverr doing this, especially now with gig packages and the custom offers and all of that they offer. So with that being said, that's why you want to take action right now, today. And like I said before in the intro, when I first started, I was making cash within 48 hours. Like, it was that quick of me creating my first gig on Fiverr and getting my first orders. And after that, after I saw like, oh my gosh, it was almost like addictive. I wanted to just keep making gigs and keep making money, because before that, coming from like a failed business venture, Fiverr just felt so easy and seamless. So that being said, let's dive into the next video, which is going to be all about creating your username and how to create the most optimized username that you can. And I'm going to be teaching you why shortly.